Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the Australian dollar and the US dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The Aussie dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. Nike's stock fell 1.7% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The pound dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
The euro rose to a more than 1 week high against the dollar after a spate of hawkish comments from European Central Bank officials raised bets that Eurozone interest rates will rise soon. Google launched a new campus on New York's Hudson River this week. The company says it's targeting New York for its diverse talent. Google just began bringing employees back to physical offices after more than 2 years of pandemic remote work. Oil prices climbed as investors focused on the tight global supply as the Ukraine war continues and with Libyan protests disrupting output from the OPEC member.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The Eurozone's current account will be released at 0800 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1700 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.